This is going to blow your mind. In 1796, over 500 Trelawney Maroons were forcibly deported from Jamaica to the icy shores of Nova Scotia. The British saw these fierce and independent Maroons as rebellious, so they aimed to remove them permanently. Despite the harsh Canadian climate, they arrived in Halifax on June 6, 1796, facing an uncertain future. Struggling against the extreme cold, they were wrongly labeled as lazy and soon deemed impossible to govern. By 1800, the British decided to deport them again, this time to Sierra Leone. But the Maroons' journey didn't end there. Their unyielding spirit carried them through, and today, their descendants live in Sierra Leone, a testament to their resilience and quest for freedom. What does their incredible journey tell us about the strength of the human spirit? How do these stories shape our understanding of freedom and identity? As you think about the Maroons' legacy, let their story inspire you to embrace resilience and the pursuit of freedom in your own life. Keep their spirit alive by sharing their incredible journey.